Hello everyone. So today I'm going to do some spring cleaning. I finally have a day off from work. Actually this week I get like 3 days off and I'm so excited. So today I decided to clean my room and I like watching these types of videos, so I wanted to film one as well. So yes, let's begin. Okay, so I cleaned this side. And then I have my books here and all the other stuff here. And then I also cleaned here. Nice and simple. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my clean with me video. So yes, I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.